Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make beef broth powder. This easy method allows you to convert liquid broth into a convenient, shelf-stable powder. You'll learn how to prepare your broth, dehydrate it effectively, and then process it into a fine powder. This is a fantastic way to save freezer space and always have flavorful beef broth on hand for cooking. First, begin with a rich, concentrated beef broth. You can use homemade or store-bought, but ensure it's defatted and free of any large solids. Pour your broth into a large pot and simmer it gently. The goal is to reduce the liquid considerably, concentrating its flavor and making it easier to dehydrate. Keep an eye on it to prevent scorching. Once your broth is reduced to a thick, syrupy consistency, spread it thinly onto non-stick dehydrator sheets. Aim for an even layer to ensure uniform drying. Set your dehydrator to a temperature between 135 and 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Dehydrate until the broth is completely dry and brittle, snapping easily like stained glass. This can take many hours, so be patient. After the broth is fully dehydrated and cooled, break the brittle pieces into smaller shards. Transfer these pieces to a high-speed blender or food processor. Blend until you achieve a fine, consistent powder. Store your homemade beef broth powder in an airtight container, away from light and heat. For best results, consider storing it in the refrigerator or freezer to maintain freshness for several months.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.